check someone's birthday on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat. So from here you want to go back and then go to chat. So here you will have all your friends. So as you can see, I only have one friend, so I will go to him to the chat. And if you want to see this friend's birthday, you just have to click on the rocket icon from the right bottom corner. So it's this one right here. And if you want to see their birthdays, you just have to go to meetings. And here you have birthdays. Tap to hide icon from chat. I can do that. If you want to see his birthday, you just have to click again right here. So it will look just like that. Wait for it to load. And here you will say in how many days it's your friend's birthday. You can also scroll down, and here you can see upcoming birthdays or recent birthdays. So after that, you will go to zodiac sign, and here you will see his birthday. So his birthday is on 11 October. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.